Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another tutorial video today, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can change your currency on the Shein app. So if you've been using Shein for a certain while in order to shop for yourself or for others by using a certain currency, but now want to change the currency to something else, either because you've moved out to a different country or for any other specific reasons, or because somebody else is paying for you, this is what you can do in order to change the currency. So for this, first of all, head over to the Shein app, and as you go to the Shein app and land on the shop section, go to the me section on the bottom right corner and then select the second option from the top right corner that shows a settings icon. After you do that, you can see an option that says currency below country or region. Go to currency, and currently it's set to US dollars, but you can change it to anything else. Here you can see different options that are available to you. Remember that these are fixed options that are available, so make a wise decision. So I'm just going to change it to QAR or anything else. Here I've changed it to HKD. So in this way my currency has now been changed. So now let's see, when I go back and go to a particular section, I'll be able to see that every single currency is now displayed to me in HK dollars. So this is basically how it works.